Hi, and welcome to our 9th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jane, and you can refer to me as DJ. I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Today, we will be reviewing items on the toolbar in Excel. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, and software. So let's begin. The items that we're going to be taking a look at today is auto sum, fill color, and row height. So let's take a peek. I've devised an Excel spreadsheet for you to show you an example of what your sheets could look like. What's great about the Excel program is you can design it however you wish. You can put logos, photos, and the list goes on and on. So let's go take a look at what is called auto sum. Okay, as you can see in this first section, these 3 lines then have a total all the way across until you reach your grand total. In the January column, let's go ahead and take that 228.52 out of there. Okay, so what we want the system to do is to auto sum, means to add up this column and give me a total. So what we're going to do is command the computer that we are going to be working first in the cell that's 10, line 10 under January, and drag your cursor down to totals. We're already in the home section. This is called your toolbar, and again, it's also referred to as the ribbon. As you go across in the editing section here to the right, you will see this little symbol, which means auto sum. If you click on the down arrow that's next to it, you can go ahead and see your different choices. What we want to choose right now at this time is auto sum. Before I do that, take a look down at line 13 and go across to the January column. Right now it's empty. Okay? What we're going to do is I'm going to click on sum and go ahead and take a look at line 13 in January, and you will see it added up those numbers and put the total in for you. Let's hit Control Save. Control Save is a very important function. If there is a power surge, electrical storm, or somebody just unplugs something by accident, you could lose all of your chart and information. So periodically, you just want to hit Control Save. It's better to be safe than sorry. You don't want to lose all your work. Okay? So that is auto sum. Next thing we're going to take a look at is fill color. Okay, so you go up to the top left and see how it says font. See how you have a little paint can here? If you click on that down arrow, it's going to give you all these color choices. You can choose from standard color to theme color. Okay, let's take a look at number 9. See all the way across it's got a color in the background? That is what you call fill color. So let's click on line 10 and drag it across. Again, you're giving the command that you're going to make a change in all of those cells. If you go up to Home and go to the Fill Color, as you go around, see how that line is changing colors? You can change that to whatever color you wish. Let's go ahead and leave it the same as line 9. When I click on that color square, see, now all that's going to be in color. It's a very nice feature. Let's hit Control S. Whoops. Okay, so let's undo and go out of that. Okay, so this is a good example of why you always hit Control S. A perfect example. Reason being, my finger hit the wrong button. So since I saved Control S, because I always do, I now know that I can go back into my charts and bring up my spreadsheet sample for you. Perfect, right? Now, why did I leave that on there? Why did I let it record? just so that you can see things happen. But guess what? I hit Control F all the time. So just that last recent change that we made, guess what? It's saved. Okay, if this whole chart was not saved, do you know how long it would take you to input all of that information again? Okay, this program is made to save you time. It's perfect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is row height. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And let's say we want the column that says lumber here in 23 to be larger. Row height, you just adjust it, or you can bring it up. Okay, so that's row height. Okay, let's go ahead and save that just because you saw what could happen. And it was perfect time. Murphy's Law, perfect timing. I'm so glad that happened. Oh boy. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We've touched only on a few today, and you can go back and review any of our podcasts as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these podcasts and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about the Excel program. We also provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. Today, the things that we reviewed, are just a few more things under your belt to help you understand the Excel program. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help the growth and to help customize a package that fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast video from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to Excel. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast video at your convenience. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye now.